Today I'd like to take you on a tour of PhotoPlus X7 and point out some key areas of the workspace along the way. First of all, you'll see your canvas displayed in the centre of the workspace. At the top are the menus in the standard toolbar. Here you can quickly access commonly used functions such as Open, Save, Zoom and Pan. You can also access PhotoPlus Organizer. Below the standard toolbar is the context toolbar. The context toolbar and its buttons change depending on the tool that is selected. We'll look at the context toolbar in a little more detail later. On the left is the Tools toolbar. Here you'll find a variety of tools and they're all split into groups. Tools for moving, transforming, cropping and straightening your photo are at the top of the toolbar. Next are the selection tools, followed by the editing tools. Finally come the mesh warp, text and path editing tools. Try clicking the down arrow next to a tool to see all of the tools inside its flyout. Next to the Tools toolbar is the HowTo tab. The HowTo tab is full of automated assistance which will help you get the most out of your photo projects. Select a category and then browse the topics inside. Some topics have Do This For Me and Show Me How links to help you get to grips with using PhotoPlus. To return to the tab's welcome page, just click Home. If you can't see the tabs around the workspace at first, click the small arrow next to them. You can use these arrows to expand or collapse tabs at any time. You can also collapse or expand tab groups by clicking the arrow next to them and then selecting Collapse or Expand respectively from the drop-down list. On the right are the main Studio tabs. These include the Histogram, Navigator and Colour tabs at the top, the Adjustments, Brush Tip and History tabs in the middle, and the Layers, Channels and Macros tabs at the bottom. It's really easy to change the order in which the tabs are displayed. Simply click on the tab you want to move and then drag it to its new location. PhotoPlus has several default workspaces to choose from. On the Workspace toolbar, click the down arrow next to Workspace and select a different option from the list. Reset your workspace and return to the original layout at any time by selecting Studio tabs from the Window menu and clicking Reset Workspace tabs. Right at the bottom of the workspace is the Snapping toggle and the Hint line toolbar. The Hint line provides really useful hints and tips and also shows the cursor position when you move the pointer over the canvas. Just above the hint line is the Documents tab, which is collapsed by default. If you have multiple photos or projects open at the same time, they appear here and you can navigate between them. PhotoPlus has many powerful features to make editing your photos really easy. PhotoFix, the Filter Gallery, Cutout Studio and Warp Studio are dedicated studio environments. Here you can quickly fix, enhance, cut out and get creative with your photos. While you're working on an image, you may want to zoom in for a closer view or to get more precision for intricate editing. To do this, select the Zoom tool from the standard toolbar and then drag over the area you want to magnify. Zoom out by right-clicking and choosing an option from the right-click menu. Earlier in this video, I briefly mentioned the context toolbar which changes dynamically depending on the tool that is selected. To demonstrate this, I'll select a tool from the Tools toolbar. I've selected the Crop tool, and as you can see, the options on the context toolbar have changed to display a number of different options dedicated to cropping. If I select another tool, for example the Fill tool, the options will change again. See PhotoPlus Help for more information about these tools, the context toolbar and the various options available. Well, that concludes our tour. To find out more about PhotoPlus, see the Learn section of the Startup Assistant. Thanks for watching.